Okay, Rex, this is for you because you didn't think this was a whole lot of snow. Okay? Last night when we went to bed, this that I'm standing on right now was completely shoveled away in a sidewalk. I don't know how I'm going to be able to show you, but let me see. Okay, can you see my footsteps in it now? How deep they are? It's like 6 more inches of snow, maybe 4 more inches of snow this morning. So, and my bushes are completely covered. They look like just mounds of snow. My house. There's little birds that usually sit in this tree, and I don't know if they're there this morning or not, but it's just nothing but snow. And people are out driving in this crazy stuff. They canceled school today. First time in like forever. You see everybody driving on it. Chris had to go and he got stuck in the driveway, so he had to shovel himself out this morning. But it's still coming down. We're supposed to get 4 to 6 more inches today. Looking back at my house. Everything's so white it's hard to show you how deep it is. Okay, see if I can go backwards here. Okay. It's absolutely beautiful though. And this isn't like the blizzard snow. The blizzard snow we got the other day that didn't put school out was just blowing sideways. And that's why nobody could see to go to see to drive, so they had to let school out early that day. I love the way snow sounds when you're stepping on it. There's I guess this is the best way to show you. This is our steps. Can't even see steps. Chris is like, you can sled down them. Here's my driveway. Our neighbor's parking his little 4-wheel drive in our driveway. There's our No Webster Chili sign. It's just a whole lot of snow. Okay, that's for you, Rex. Enjoy. Not much snow.